Today we're going to be making pasta puttanesca. Now this pasta sauce is the ultimate savory flavor bomb. It includes all the essential ingredients such as garlic, anchovies, capers, olives, chili flakes. What better ingredients could you put into a pasta sauce? Anyways, for the full dish, this is what you're going to need. Alright, let's get cooking. Let's start off with the garlic. For this recipe, we'll be using 4 whole cloves, thinly sliced into chips like this. Then in a non-stick pan, at medium heat with a couple dashes of olive oil, throw in your garlic and 2 slivers of the anchovies. Cook until the anchovies have dissolved and until the garlic has browned slightly. Next, add in your canned whole tomatoes. We'll be using 800 grams in this recipe. So start off with putting in half of your tomatoes, crush them with your hands, and cook them down with your garlic and anchovies. After a minute or 2, add in the other half. Season with a big pinch of sea salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Let this simmer on medium to low heat for about 10 minutes. While this is simmering, now is a good time to throw in your pasta. For this recipe, I'm using 300 grams of spaghetti. After, throw in 100 grams of pitted black olives, 3 tablespoons of capers, and a big pinch of red chili flakes. Let all these ingredients cook for another 3 to 5 minutes until the olives have slightly softened. Then add in your pasta. Be sure to mix in the pasta thoroughly with the sauce, then you're just about done. And there you have it, pasta puttanesca. It's such a simple sauce. For me, it's almost the perfect red sauce. It has like all of those savory notes, such as olives, capers, and anchovies. And for me, that's what makes like a really good red sauce for pasta. Add a little chili flakes in there like I did for a little heat, and you're good to go. This pasta dish is incredibly delicious. It's beyond simple, and it sounds fancy. Make it at your next dinner party. You can make it in big batches. It's just perfect. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and tell me what your favorite pasta dish is in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to hit that bell icon for weekly updates.